Hi girls, boys, women, men, everyone who is watching. Hi everyone. Today I am be using this L'Oreal casting cream. I have already opened the pack because I was also very curious. So my reason of coloring my hair is basically I have grey hairs from when I was in 6th standard and I have been using henna all of my life since then. So I decided to go and get my hair colored, but I googled everywhere and I called various salons and they told that it will cost around 4 to 5k and I really don't want to spend that kind of money. I even asked in Reddit groups that if anyone know a reasonable salon, but there was not a good answer. So I thought I'll color it myself and see how it looks, and then maybe if it is good I'll get the confidence of spending the money. So my main reason for making this video, there are two main reasons of me making this video. First is, this is my first time coloring my hair, so I thought this might give some newbies a little confidence. And the second thing is, I had so many doubts in my head and there was not even a single YouTube video which cleared all of my doubts. So yeah, okay. So I have read all the instructions and I think I am pretty confident of what I gonna do. There's some things that I wanna tell you, which is do not apply the color if your hair are like 3 days down the washing line, because either they will be a little oily or it will be dusty. Okay, I have extremely dry hair, but in the morning I oiled my hair because I was thinking of washing it then. So yeah, non-oily hair and try it to be clean. And if you have oily hair, wash your hair only with shampoo. Don't use any conditioner because your hair must be very raw in the process. Okay, and these are the 3 products that you get inside this. This is a developer and this is a colorant cream. Okay, and they told that should be in 1:1 proportion, which means that you have to empty this entire tube into this bottle and then shake it. And the picture show that you have to shake it in upward direction, which means the lid is closed, and don't shake it like this, shake it like this. And this is a conditioner, which is when you'll get it all colored down and you'll wash it with lukewarm water and then you will condition your hair and then wash it. That's a later process. So yeah, now we're gonna mix this thing, and you will also get a glove because it might cause irritation in your hands. So yeah. You have to pop this open. Oh, so there's one important thing that, as you saw, I shaken the bottle and opened it. Keep it away from your eyes or anywhere because it's a chemical combination. It might enter in your eyes, okay? Anything can be combustible, so be careful about it. And now the next step is that you just have to apply it. There is 2 categories. One is if you are dyeing it for the first time. Other is if you have already dyed. Most of these steps are same. It's like if you are doing it for the first time, they suggest you to divide your hairs into 4 parts. But if you have already colored, just divide your hairs into half part and start from the bottom and go downwards. I think I will make a time lapse of it, and if I feel something necessary, I'll just add the audio for it. Okay. It's already been 20 minutes, so the next step is that I have to wash it with lukewarm water, then apply conditioner for 2 minutes, and then wash it with cold water. And then we'll see what will happen. So this is the next morning, and this is how my hair looks. It's honestly look good, but it's very dry. I don't know, I'll Google it that whether I should apply oil or not apply oil. And the other thing is just to apply henna on my hairs. So there were so many red hard hairs, and I tried to cover those. Most of them are covered, but somewhere like here there are still those henna colors. So I don't know, maybe I'll do it again, maybe not. But yeah, otherwise it look good. You feel confident. But I have to oil it. It's really dry. Thank you for watching. Bye.